told the emu in the sky, and it's about looking into the dark sky at night, but you don't look at the stars, you look at the dark spaces, and at certain times of the year you can see the shape of the emu, and when the stars align with her body in her tummy, that's when you go out and collect the eggs. But you never take more than you need, otherwise you won't have emus for the rest of the years to come.
I think this is incredibly important because it makes science exciting and accessible. We just flew to Saturn. It's just amazing. How cool is that? We're part of a galaxy that's amazing.
This is a very exciting day to see all the kids here from the local primary school and to also have the local high school kids from Mount Austin and Kringle here to present the science demonstrations.
Yeah, we really want to show them the fun of science. We're going to do some painting with them with some of the different types of ochres. The red ochres are very heavy in ferrous ions and those sorts of things. And then we've got the other ones that are pale and like limes and chalks and those sorts of things. So we just want the kids to embrace soil. It's something that they can actually see the value in and have a great time and maybe be inspired to become future soil scientists.
I think it's wonderful for the kids because you've only got to look at the faces of them, how they're interested in it and how does that work, It's like magic to them, and to combine the Aboriginal culture with ochre and all that, I think it's wonderful.
This is our third year of doing kitchen story time, and it's something that the students have actually really enjoyed. I'm never ever short of students who want to come down and actually do this event with the Riverina Library.
We do little activities including slime and water cups, and it just gives them a basic idea of what science is like and just helps them have fun.
So it's really good to come down here and interact with the community and let people know that it's good to be good to our planet and have some fun and do some science experiments.
I think it's important for her to see the different experiments they have, and it is fun.
Science is a part of everyday life, and so it's good for them to see that it can be really complicated stuff that you learn in school, or it can be really basic stuff that's just really fun for them to do around the house.
This year, this is the museum's contribution to Science Week. Food fermentation is this wonderful subject that brings in history. These are old, centuries-old techniques, but it's also, of course, science. We're learning all about lactofermentation, how it works, and how it can improve your gut health. And of course, there's lots of goodies to taste as well.
Having children made me a lot more interested in what I was eating and what they were eating, so I realised that food is a very important part of being healthy. It's about preserving the harvest so you can grow your own food and then be eating it all year round, plus bringing probiotics into your life.
Well, today we've got a setup with different microscopes and models and things for the children to have a look at things a bit closer. So we've got some dissecting microscopes, so they can look at a whole range of things that they bring themselves, like seeds and flowers and even bits of rock and things that they find in their garden. And for the younger ones who find difficulty looking down a microscope, we've got what are called downlights, and they are attached to a computer. There's something for everybody. We've got magnifying glasses and a whole range of different things. So the excitement is wonderful, just to see the children discover things. Because children are little natural-born scientists, as Carl Sagan said. So if we could keep that enthusiasm through elder years, it would be wonderful.